Right, man.
Alright, man.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, not too bad yourself.
Not bad, not bad. So, you excited to learn some guitar stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So before we get started, how much do you know about guitar and how long has it been since you played it? Because I know you play drums and stuff and you do play music a lot, but...
Yeah, like, I mean, I started on guitar, but that was back in high school, so I think I had like a few lessons, but that's ages ago. I've pretty much forgot everything, so like, I haven't played in, like 6 years now?
Okay.
So
you just
yeah,
got to
it's
get
been
like
quite a while.
technique and stuff, because you know
Yeah.
theory a lot as well, don't you? So
Yeah, like, I understand it and all that. It's just pretty much actually doing it and kind of, applying
Like
it to
putting-
the actual instrument.
Okay.
Yeah.
cool. So what I thought we could start off doing is just like learn some scales to help with the improv, and then we can just kind of go from there. So you know about like relative minors and majors and stuff and scales and all that, like theoretically, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. So, I think the first one we can go over is A minor.
Cool.
So you know minor scales on piano and stuff, don't you?
Yeah.
Sweet. So let's just get straight into it. Right. So do you know the string names?
No.
Okay. So we have E, A, D, G, B, and E.
Great.
So we'll start with an A minor scale. We'll start on the bottom string just so you can work your way up, and we'll do 2 octaves. So you know an A minor chord, don't you? On guitar.
No.
Okay, I'll show you that as well.
Like,
Yeah, we'll do the chord first. So the chord is this. So you've got finger, finger, and then this. Yep. Okay. Do you know any other chords at all? Or? Okay, cool. So you got good technique strumming already anyway.
Alright.
Nice one. Cool, right, well we'll just go into learning the scale I guess, and then we can just like kind of work on a bit of improv later on. So we'll see how you get on with this and then we'll go from there. So, for the A minor scale, I'll play it to you first and then we can go over it together. So, and that's 2 octaves, and then we'll go back down as well.
Cool.
So, we'll just take it one string at a time. So, we will go, always want to start with your first finger so we have good positioning. So we'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you
Cool.
get me?
Cool. So that's just there, eh?
Yeah. So, if we're starting in 5th position, which will mean your first finger is on the 5th fret, and then all your other fingers correspond to the number up above that.
Alright. Okay.
Sweet. So we'll go 5, which will be 1. 1, 3, 4. Yep. Then the same on the next string. And then on the next string we just do 1 and 3. Then this string's hard because we changed down a position, so we go down to the 4th fret. Yep. Then. And then. So we go 1, 2, 4. Yep, and then. Perfect.
Sweet.
So that's kind of how we're doing it, and we'll just keep working on it until you can play it fluid, and then we'll go up and down it, and I'll play a chord for you to try do it over.
Sweet.
And then basically, as you know, this will enable you to start improving on guitar. So let's just try that again.
Sweet.
So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep, then the same on the next string. Yep, then 1 and 3. And then go down to the 4th fret. Yep, then 1, then 4. Yep, then. Yep, there, and then 2nd, then 4, and then 1. Beautiful. And then see if you can do it going back down.
So starting now, eh?
Yeah. Then 4. No, 4, 2, sorry. 1. Then, yep. Then slide down 1. And then, yep, that's it. And then you do 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1 on the last one. Nice.
Sweet.
Well, I was expecting that to take a lot longer, to be honest, because you said you hadn't played guitar in ages, so I thought this would take like the whole lesson. So basically, what we'll do is I'll strum an A minor chord, and if you can just see if you can work up and down the scale over this.
Cool. Just like.
Yep, just.
It's just like southern.
Oh, just play up and down the scale just to see if you can do it. I'm just doing this for like tonality. Yep, down one.
Is that right?
Yep, that's it. And then two. So yeah, make sure you get the two on that one because that one's like the different one. Sweet. Then see if you can get back down it. Nice one. So basically, with guitar, it's just the same shapes, but you can just move it. So obviously, that's us in the key of A minor. But then if we wanted to play in G minor, for example, we just move down to where a G would be, which would be here, because you've got A flat, G, and then. So it's the same shape. So basically, the reason for doing this is once we learn one shape for like the major and the minor scale, that will basically enable you to be like just move it about any key, essentially. So that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, do you want to see if you can do a bit of improv?
Yeah.
So.
As well. Hi.
So basically, it's kind of trial and error. And what I'll do, I'll just play like an A minor chord for you to start with. Yeah, just remember your shape. Obviously, it's quite hard to do it when you're like taking it apart and stuff, but. And if you get stuck, you can always go back to your root note.